In the town of Riverbend, children from many cultures lived side by side. Some wore bright saris, others wore woven hats, and some spoke different languages at home. But they didn't always play together. One day, the teacher, Miss Elina, gave each child a basket and a challenge. Fill your basket with something special from your culture and share it with someone new. Lena brought spicy rice wrapped in banana leaves. Omar brought a tiny drum from his grandfather. May brought paper lanterns. Jack brought a wooden boomerang. At first, the children were shy. But as they shared, laughter filled the air. Lena taught Omar how to eat with fingers. May showed Jack how to fold paper into birds. Omar played a rhythm that made everyone dance. By the end of the week, the baskets were full, and so were their hearts. Miss Elina smiled. You've built a bridge, not with bricks, but with understanding. From then on, the playground was a mix of languages, games, and stories. The children didn't just play. They learned from one another. Moral: understanding and empathy help us connect across cultures. When we listen, share, and care, we build bridges that make the world kinder and stronger.